ആപ്പിൾ ഉണ്ടാ? ആപ്പിളോ? Well done. Okay. You can't eat it. Okay. Where is banana? Banana. Yum. Not a banana. Very good, Tia. Well done, Tia. Once more, shuffle. Where is banana? Banana. Very good, Tia. Well done, my baby. Where is cherry? Cherry and the cherry. Yum. Cherry. Very good, Theo. Well done, Theo. Well done. Okay. Where's mango? Mango. Well done. There is pineapple. Well done, Tia. Well done. Okay, where is lemon? Very well done. Well done, Tia. Tia, where is papaya? Very good. Okay, where is orange? 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 Well done. Very well done. Okay, once more. Where is papaya? Where is papaya? Very good. Vivekananda. Very good, Tia. Well done. Okay. Where is Dhirubhai Ambani? Where's Ambani? Well done. Very well done. Okay. Where is Albert Einstein? Where's Albert Einstein? Very good. Okay, we'll do once more. Okay. Where is APJ Abdul Kalam? Where's Abdul Kalam? Very good, Tia. Well done. Well done.
Thank you all for being with us till the end of this video. In addition to stimulation material and unique methodology, we also provide 3 years of knowledge support through our counseling sessions, workshops, online meetups and ANA sessions. These sessions are conducted by highly qualified professionals in the field of early child development with years of experience behind. We have covered more than 50 topics on parenting till now, and to quote a few: emotional intelligence, socializing skills, creativity, sibling rivalry, food and nutrition, vaccination, fine motor skills, gross motor skills, communication skills, storytelling, self-portrait, gadget addiction, toilet training and many more. So dear parents, why wait? Claim your slot for a 45-minute free counseling session, online or offline, and decide how you want to proceed further. Call us, WhatsApp us, message us, email us, or do whatever required. Fix your slot with us for your free session. All the very best and happy parenting.